Good morning, everyone. This is Paka again. Paka is drinking her water through the spoon. She likes drinking the water through the spoon. So as a reminder to our subscriber and our viewer that Paka is an old cat and she has kidney problem, she has arthritis, she takes 4 kinds of medicine in the